Welcome traders, and welcome to this market review here, which we are going to be doing of EURUSD. We see what happened during this past week. So as you can see, I had marked this previous resistance area, and you can see that although the market did go down, he still has not broken that last low. Okay, now remember, we're coming up to a period where you can expect choppy markets. As I said to you in the previous video, that I think this last week would be the last week where you can actually get some meaningful trades. But as for this week, I think you just need to skip it up until when we come back in the new year. Okay, because he's holding. If we see a bigger time frame, if I put this on H4, you can see basically EURUSD is just in this range here from about 106 up to that low of 1314. So he's basically playing in here. I don't expect much movement in the coming week. Still downward trend, but it's pretty much printing flat. I don't expect much movement in the coming week, but in this past week you could have taken a sell, and it was also that US interest rate decision which was announced on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just have a look at it, what happened this past week for our EURUSD news. I'm sure that was on Wednesday Fed interest rate decision. Okay, so this was kind of like already factored in the market, but that's when we can see we had that movement. 9 o'clock Wednesday. Okay, let's see what happened. And then for those of you who have signed up, you can sign up in the link below for the recommended broker, and you'll get to see, I'll show you the trade setups you could have taken, your stop loss, and take profits. Okay, so Wednesday, exactly, look at that, 9 p.m. that was that candle, that was that move. So you don't trade news, but remember, like I say to you always, the cycle will be having this in the direction. You won't be wrong. And as I said, this thing is still bearish. You can see how EMA is spaced out, that you could have taken. Okay, so now let's get into the video where we see the setups that you could have taken this week. Okay guys, so basically you would be looking